Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this beautiful Hyundai Sonata 2016, and in this video I'll show you how to replace your headlight bulbs. So let's start. First thing you want to do, you want to open the door and pop the hood. Over here you find the latch. Raise it up and raise up the hood. Okay, so let me show you first. This is the high beam, this is the low beam, and this is the turn signal. To replace the high beam, we open this cover here. And there's a bulb inside. So what we do, we spin it. Spin it and pull out. Okay, once we have to replace it, we press on this piece here and pull the bulb out. Oh, it's so windy, sorry. Then when you have the replacement bulb, again you put the bulb in and spin it in. Okay, that's it, very simple. Same thing goes again. Don't forget to put this cover. Alright, and same exact procedure goes with this side. Okay, on this side I'll show you with the low beam light. Oh. If you lose the rubber, just guide it back on place. Okay, same thing. You just grab the bulb, spin it, then you pull it out. If you need to replace it, press here, replace it. Then carefully put the bulb back in place, find the correct position and spin it. Okay, I'm gonna do this. It was uncomfortable with that hand, but now it's good. Alright. And find the cover, put the cover back in place. Again, you have to wiggle it. Be careful because the sides are sharp. This plastic housing, the sides are sharp. Okay guys, so this is how you do it. I hope this video helps, and if this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.